What's going on? This is Busy the Broker Breaker, and I'm bringing you another training on the lender broker breaker strategy. And today we're going to be talking about bearish flags, how to trade them, how to spot them. Okay, this is a bearish flag. If you notice, they call it a bearish flag because this is the pole, this is the flag. Looks like an upside down flag, and it's normally after a bearish flag is a continuation pattern to show you that price going to continue to go in a downtrend. So how do we trade them in the lender broker breaker strategy? Okay, so I marked up this chart. I see that this is a bearish flag on the daily. What I do is I go down 1 to 2 time frames, and I see I got my breakout right here, not waiting on a retest. You see this green momentum right here? The retest is happening right about here. So to get in a prime entry, I would go down 1 to 2 time frames, one should do, and see what's the best way to capitalize on this flag to catch the rest of the sell. Right now, I see this engulfing candle. The flag is pulling back, and notice in a bearish flag, you sell from the top of the flag. Never sell in the middle, never sell at the bottom, sell at the top of the flag. Or let this pull back. You got your MACD retest. You got it on a daily. I'm on a 4-hour. Now I see momentum starting to shift down. You see this engulfing candle. That would have been my cue to get in. So this right here would have been my kill shot to get in right there. All right. So, and notice that move led to this whole down move. This whole down move right here came from that one flag. And the bigger the flag, the harder the drop. So my thing is this. People always ask me this question. Okay, I got in. How do I know when to keep selling? Again, look at your MACD. Wait for a retest. You got a retest right here. This is your retest right here, and I'm going to put an arrow there. Right there. Is this retest lower than this retest? If it is, you keep selling. So right now you got a little drawdown right there. Not too bad. Keep selling on down. And notice, you will get to another retest point. Boom. Is this retest right here. Right here. Is that retest lower than this retest? And you keep selling until you see a pattern that tells you to get out. But all of that started from this one bearish flag. And again, notice I'm on a 4-hour. The higher the time frame, the more pips you can catch. Again, the structure never changes. The only thing that changes is where you're at in the move. Notice this bearish flag, I could have found this on the 5-minute, the 1-minute, 5-minute, 15, on up to the weekly. And again, you could have caught that one swing right there. This is why it's good to be a swing position trader, and you're done. And that is how we trade bearish flags in the broker breaker system. Oh, well, let me put one more thing in there before I go. For those of you that like trading Rinkos, that wanted to get on this move, pretty simple. You just want more confirmations. And that's what all these tools do. All these tools do is just give you confirmations. That is why we use them. Notice, when price started to come down on Rinkos, you started to get, price started to pull back, pull back, pull back. Notice how momentum was coming down in your MACD. Momentum was starting to shift on the MACD. And I'm sure if I go down to the 1-minute, I would have a brick with a wick somewhere up here that would have signified that this sell was good to get in. Notice how you see these brick with the wicks? See the brick? 2 bricks, you put your stop loss above that one. So if I'd have gotten it right here, my stop loss would have been above here. So I would have basically, switch back to candles, I would have basically risked, where's that markup? Let's go back to it. Ah, there we go. So getting in on this engulfing candle, I would have basically risked 10, 15 pips. Stop loss would have been above this previous high right here. Once you got in for your sell, give it a little wiggle room. So I basically would have risked, wow, 15 pips at the most. I probably would have gave my stop loss 20 to gain 250, if not more. And again, so you're risking basically 10 pips to gain 250, 1 to 25 ratio, and you were basically in no drawdown. That was an instant profit trade. And there you go. That is how you trade a bearish flag.